Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into your Xbox and verify network access because the console needs online sync. Next, open Battlenet on a PC or mobile and log in. Enable two-factor authentication to avoid later re-auth steps. Once done, make sure your Battlenet profile uses your real email and that you can receive verification codes. These steps reduce delays when linking accounts and prevent lockouts when the console tries to authorize the connection. You now begin the actual link. Go to Account Settings Connections on Battlenet because that centralizes platform links. Select Xbox, then follow the on-screen authorization, which will display a code or request you sign into Microsoft. Make sure to approve permissions so Battlenet can read your Xbox profile and matchmaking info. This is why you enabled 2FA earlier. Once authorized, Battlenet confirms the connection and queues any cross-play entitlements for your Xbox account. To finish, check the Connections page to confirm your Xbox is listed. This tells you linking succeeded. Then restart your Xbox so the console fetches game entitlements and cross-platform settings. If games or purchases don't appear, clear the Xbox cache and recheck Battlenet. Sometimes tokens fail and a fresh auth fixes it. If problems persist, unlink then relink following the same steps. This forces new credentials and usually resolves permission or token issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.